Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will do line drawing. Before that, we will see about some of the basic types of lines. So, this is horizontal line, vertical line, slanting. This is zigzag line, wavy line, and the spiral. Now we will see how to use lines. By giving pressure in your pencil, you can make thick lines. By reducing your pressure, you can make thin lines. Can you see? See, I'm giving pressure, so I'm getting a thick and medium, light, and again thick. Okay, so I'm repeating it. These thick and thin lines will help you to differentiate between light and shades in your drawing. So in case if you are drawing any objects, you can use these thin lines where light falls, and you can use the thick lines where you have a shade. Okay, now I'm giving a medium pressure for my first wavy line, and then I'm increasing the pressure. By increasing the pressure, I'm getting the darker tones of wavy lines. Can you see that? See, I'm getting a darker tones of wavy lines. The thing is, you should practice these lines daily. By these thick and thin lines, you can make an amazing artworks, like amazing artworks. So practice daily. So take your any note and practice these front to back lines from end to end. Okay, and also not only front to back but also back to front. See, back to front. Okay, so if you practice it daily, you will get a clarity and confidence in your lines. So do it daily. Not only lines but also circles. Okay, do lot and lot of circles in your notes, and also hold your pencil or pen at different points and understand how your wrist and hand and shoulders are working while you're drawing. Okay, hold it at different points and practice it daily. That's it. We saw about some of the types of lines. Now we will do a very simple landscapes, and we'll see how to implement those lines here. Now I'm drawing a wave. On top of that, I'm drawing an uneven line, not a straight line, like a water line. I'm drawing a boat now. Use your hand freely. Okay, make sure you don't use scales. Do it with free hand. I am adding mountains. Now sun. Okay, we got a very simple basic landscapes here. Now I'm gonna draw those lines. See, I'm continuing the form of the wave. This is called the contour line, and I'm drawing these lines very closer to the other line. Okay, so that I will get a very dark tone over there. Now I'm changing the interval between those lines. Can you see that? Yes. Here, over here, I'm getting a very light tone. So on the top, it's a darker tone. On the bottom, it's getting very light due to the space interval between those lines. Now for the water, I'm just following the lines over there. So you can try your own landscape and try giving different lines. Okay, try giving whatever lines you want there. You can use thick and thin lines. You can also use contour lines. You can use spirals for the water and see how it comes up. Okay, and there is no need that you only have to use pencils. You can also use sketch pens, color sketch pens. Okay, you will get an amazing line art. I'm doing nothing, I'm just repeating the forms. That's it. I'm making a thin line now. Can you get the difference? On the top it's dark, due to the thin line it's getting light. Now for the board, I want to use zigzag lines. You can use any lines. Here I will use slanting line. Okay, I'm gonna use slanting line. Very close to each other. Over here for the mountain, I'm dividing the portion. On one portion I'm giving spiral lines. On the other side I want to do wavy lines. Okay, you can copy this landscape or you can create your own landscape and you can do your own lines. Okay, for the sun I'm giving dotted lines. For the background I'm just giving the slanting lines. Yes, we are done with the very simple basic landscape using lines. So you all can try it. For the next session we can discuss about some other basics of drawings, and thank you.